Whoa, what is this? It looks like medieval prison food.
It's cereal. Real cereal.
What's wrong with Smashmallows?
I've read the back of the box. This is so
Unknown animal had been spotted attacking people in these areas: New York City, Hoboken, and Union City. Follow the instructions. Stay indoors. Lock all doors and windows. Go to interior room. Do not make a sound.
A dinosaur called a Baryonyx has escaped a cargo ship has been killing people. There has been 32 deaths and 130 to injured. We are going to show a photo of the dinosaur took in an alleyway. And if you hear this, you don't have much time left. Follow these instructions. Stay in a room with no windows. Do not make a sound. And if you see it,
Well, I don't believe that. I think the EAS is hacked. Well, I am going to take a walk outside.